just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain.
2024 Nissan Armada redesign, towing capacity, gas mileage. The all-new 2024 Nissan Armada is on the way. We are sure about it since our sources were not clear if the redesigned SUV was coming as the 2023 EM. After the introduction of the model for the next season, there are no doubts that the complete update is due for 2024. However, there are no details available at the moment. On the other hand, there are indications that the company is updating Patrol, Armada sibling you can find in Pacific Asia. So, changes on one of these SUVs will lead to the updates of the second one. The vehicle is not too old if we compare it to its rivals. Well, many of them are now updated, so the styling from 2017 is becoming outdated. Nevertheless, the 2024 Nissan Armada redesign is about to bring a fresh look and a more comfortable interior. Also, we are following details about the Infiniti QX80, which will be based on the monograph concept. Armada could use some of its solutions to make the appearance more appealing. Finally, we are about to see changes under the hood. A V8 power becomes outgoing. Rivals are moving to turbocharged V6 mills, and the same is expected from the Japanese company. However, like for the redesign, details are unavailable about the performance. Diesel is definitely not an option anymore, although it is standard for the Patrol. Hybrids are taking over the market, so the 2024 Nissan Armada might improve the gas mileage with such a configuration. 2024 Nissan Armada facelift and interior update. The last updates on the big rig date from 2017, when the latest generation was introduced. Now, it is time for the new version. Some fans expected it in 2023, but it was a carryover. So, expectations from the following model are huge. The company updated Infiniti QX60, and now it is the turn for the QX80 and the monograph concept. This platform could be suitable for the 2024 Nissan Armada as well. Details are unavailable at this point. Prototypes are not on US streets yet. However, test mules of the Patrol were spotted in countries where this vehicle is very popular. Since those two share a lot of things in common, we can take it as the base for further upgrades in the US. Also, the interior is way out of date, so the new version has to introduce plenty of novelties. The infotainment system layout should become easier to use. Also, more packages add extra options to buyers. High-end versions, such as Nismo, would be cool. Also, the Warrior concept is still alive, so the full-size SUV could use it as the off-road package. Engine switch and performance. A 5.6-liter is a reliable engine, but thirsty. So, the goal is to keep the reliability and the performance and to improve the gas mileage. A hybrid based on a V8 engine is not so likely to happen. On the other hand, the 2024 Nissan Armada V6 seems to be on the way. First, it is a logical choice if we take a look at the competition. Also, hybridization is easier with a smaller block. The main question is what will happen to the specs and performance. A V8 is good for 400 HP and 415 lb-ft. Turbochargers can increase outputs of a V6 to this level. But, can it handle such a big and heavy SUV? The gas mileage will definitely be better. Also, engineers will take care of the towing capacity. Until recently, Ford Expedition was the best SUV for hauling, with 9,300 pounds, and it is using a V6 unit. A twin-turbo version of the Nissan Z-Car could be a good starting point. Of course, the big SUV would need further modification to keep the performance at the highest level. When will 2024 Nissan Armada be available? The 2023 EM is already out. That means extra time for the 2024 Nissan Armada to be delivered. The redesign brings a lot of tuning and the competition is not going to let anything easy. The release date of the SUV is expected late next year when the sales are about to start as well. The price goes up for sure. The final MSRP depends mostly on the new engines the vehicle is going to use. 2024 Nissan Armada price, release date. The current Armada model starts at around $48,000, which means the 2024 Nissan Armada will cost closer to $50,000. The sales will begin next summer. Therefore, Nissan will provide the first official details in the following months, before the end of 2022.
Everybody in the world blind. Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a... Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up,